activation of the emergency alert system on KNA.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Woods County in northwestern Oklahoma, central Major County in northwestern Oklahoma, until 8:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:05 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 4 miles southeast of Orion, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Expected hazards include tornado and half-dollar size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat rotation. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Cleo Springs, Orion, and Orienta. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter, safe room, or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.